Okay.
Got nothing against the big town. Still hayseed enough to say, look who's in the big town. But my bed is in a small town. Oh, that's good enough for me. Well, I was born in a small town, and I can breathe in a small town. Gonna die in a small town. Oh, that's probably where they bury me.
No, it hit the hitch.
Yeah, it's got
It hit the D-ring hitch.
That's badass. If you can just get on top of it, you'd be all right.
Go up around this way and kind of just come, you know what I mean?
You go around the ice.
I mean, could you go up this way, turn around, come across your tracks there?
We're gonna camera you. Look at that shit. That looks like a piece of pizza.
A piece of pizza. I want a piece.
I like your potlucks. That's cool. That's big. That's 2 inches, isn't it?
Yeah,
That's
Esham, the boogeyman, running with the fucking hatchet. Violent J, the juggler, and Shaggy, the Southwest Strangler, allegedly. Collectively known as the Super Villain! Super
flex, jet super sex. The boogeyman bustin' the bazooka next, get wet. The super villains clock super checks. The juggalo and me a break the bank and your
It's
super
the juggler, juggling, juggalo, thuggling, suggalo, scrub ninja, motherfucker. My axe I keep with me, sneak with, I creep with, sever skulls and sleep
The
with.
Southwest Strangler superplex. Some bitch through the limo window super stretch. Now I wonder should I shoot your next with the super soaker? Get your soaking
Juggalo
wet.
Lee, I'm a super villain. I'm swinging my swords and I'm all up on the ceiling. I'm a ninja, throw drop kicks, chop necks like Sabu. Stab you, grab, have at you.
Super villains making a superhero killing. Fuck your feelings, ready and willing. Any day I can blow. Insane monkey like Mojo Jojo.
Citizens don't talk to the FBI. That killer with the shank to your neck, BI. I'm quick to bag the diamonds, nab it. Love Batman, but Robin's a faggot.
Right down the middle of it. Right up the middle of it. You went right up the middle of it. Yeah. We went right through the tracks. I just told him to get some momentum. Went right up the track. Same track over there. That's how we all came down. Look at his boots. Do a little side pan and Jeep rims.
Seth Willis, wave to the camera.
It's all frozen. That was a disappointment. Jackie's behind him. Power brake. That thing fucking does get up and go. Horsepower, baby, horsepower.
What do you have to say about that? Wave to the camera.
Wave to the camera!
Wave to the camera.
I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. Only a hippopotamus will do. Don't want a doll, no dinky tinker toy. I want a hippopotamus to play